Good morning, student. Today, now, start the third chapter, matrix algebra. First thing, what are the meaning of matrix? Matrix is a very simple meaning, that is a collection of data. Matrix is denoted by any capital letter, capital A, capital B, capital C. Matrix now in big bracket. For example, a matrix, that is the collection of data, now collection of numbers, right? From, for example, first test now is number 3, 4, 5. Second test now number is 2, minus 2, 0. Third test is the number is 4, 5 and 2. That collection of numbers, this is matrix, collection of data. Matrix में then is a horizontal line is row and vertical line are column. Then there are three rows, then first row denoted by R1, second row denoted by R2, third row denoted by R3. And there are three columns. First column is denoted by C1, second column is denoted by C2 and third column is denoted by C3. That means 3 row and 3 column, that is the order of the matrix is a very important order of the matrix, that is the 3 into 3 order. There are 3 row and there are 3 column, then 3 into 3, right? This is the order of this matrix. Then this is 9, there are 9 elements and now elements are denoted by small a, right? But now denoted by A11, A12, A13. A11, that is the first row and first column, this is A11, right? A12, that is the first row, second column. A13, that is the first row, third column. Now the element of second row, A21, A22, A23. Element of third row, A31, A32 and A33. And this is the notation of elements, right? This is matrix. Now the different type of matrix. Then number of row, this is the order of matrix 3 into 3. This is number of row, number of rows, and this is number of column. Number of row into number of column, that is, this is order of matrix. Now, it's a different type of matrix. The number of row and number of column are equal, that is the square matrix. So what is the square matrix? Number of row and number of column are equal, right? But number of row and number of column are not equal. For example, this matrix is 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. This matrix now 1, 2, 3 row and 1 and 2 column, that is a 3 into 2 order of matrix. The number of row 3, number of column 2, that is the order of this matrix is a 3 into 2. The number of row and number of column are not equal, that is a rectangular matrix. Same, all elements are 0. This is called 0 matrix. This is called void matrix, null matrix. But now is a very important matrix में this is diagonal A11, A22 and A33. This is not diagonal. Diagonal of matrix A11, A22, A33, right? Now the diagonal are 1, other element are 0. This matrix, the diagonal are different, diagonal are given and other element are 0. This is the diagonal matrix. What are the diagonal matrix? Are different, but diagonal are same elements, other is 0. For example, except 1, then 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. This is scalar matrix, right? And now last, diagonal is 1, 1, other element is 0, then is called identity matrix. So what is the identity matrix? Then diagonal is 1, 1 and other element is 0. But what are the diagonal are same element except one, that is a scalar matrix. But diagonal are different, another element is 0, that is a diagonal matrix. Now look here, matrix is a very, very important. Two matrices are equal. For example, a matrix is given x, y, z and t. Then is a B matrix is a 1, minus 2, 3 and 7. Two matrices are equal. What are the meaning of two matrices are equal? Two matrices are equal, that is the corresponding elements are equal. That means small a11 are equal to small b11. That means what are the value of x, that is 1. Right? What are the value of y, that is the minus 2. What are the value of z is a 3. And what are the value of t is a 7. Then two matrices are equal, that is the corresponding elements are equal. Small a11 are equal to small b11, small a12 are equal to b12, small a21 are equal to b21, small a22 are equal to b22. Right? Now look here, student. Exercise 3.1 is the basic, right? Then is the order of matrix. Now row and columns, right? Two matrices are equal. But matrix is very, very important. Exercise 3.2 and 3.3, what three important thing. First thing, that is the sum of matrix. Second thing, difference of matrix. And third is the product of matrix. So today is the basic of matrix, right? So that is a very, very important. Two matrices are equal. Then corresponding elements are equal. But now सम ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दो मैट्रिक्स को ऐड कैसे करेंगे, दो मैट्रिक्स को सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे किया जाएगा, दो मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई कैसे किया. डिवीजन इज नॉट सिलेबस. डिवीजन दो मैट्रिक्स में डिवीजन इट इज इम्पॉसिबल. बट नाउ दैट इज अ पॉसिबल सम ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स, डिफरेंस ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स, राइट, एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू मैट्रिक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए मैट्रिक्स आर गिवन एंड बी मैट्रिक्स आर गिवन. A matrix, then A matrix is given 2, 3, 5, 4 and B matrix are given 3, minus 4, 7, minus 2. Right? Both matrices are given. This matrix is ordered 2 into 2. Why? Then 2 row and 2 column. This matrix is also 2 into 2. That is the square matrix. Now find the value of A plus B. दो मैट्रिक्स को ऐड करना, that is the sum of two matrix. Now A matrix is a 2, 3, 5, 4 and B matrix is a 3, minus 4, 7 and minus 2. Now two matrix को कभी भी ऐड करना, that is the corresponding element ऐड होते हैं. First element, so when small a11 is adding small b11. So what are the value of 2 plus 3? 3 minus 4, second and second, third element to third element, that is a 5 plus 7, 4 minus 2. Then result 2 plus 3, 5, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 5 plus 7, 12 and 4 minus 2 is 2. This is the value of A plus B. But suppose now find the value of A minus 2B, right? What are the difference of two matrices A minus B या A minus 2B की value find करनी हो तो उस condition में A matrix is given, then 2, 3, 5, 4. B matrix is given minus 2 as it is. B matrix is given 3, minus 4, 7 and minus 2. This is first thing कि difference of two matrix में first matrix as it is. But second matrix now is a 2 is a scalar. और किसी भी मैट्रिक्स के आगे अगर कोई कांस्टेंट होता है तो वो जब भी मल्टीप्लाई होगा ईच एलिमेंट से मल्टीप्लाई होता है. एनी कांस्टेंट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय ईच एलिमेंट. सो 2 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3, 2 3 जा 6, 2 4 जा 8, minus 8, 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा minus 4. But which sign is multiplied? That is minus 6, minus minus plus 8, minus 14 and minus minus plus 2 2 are 4. This is difference of two matrix, and now is again same sum of two matrix and difference of two matrix. Then corresponding element, first element was 2 minus 6, 3 minus 3 plus 8, 5 minus 14 and 4 minus 4 plus 4. So now is the result 2 minus 6 is a minus 4, 8 plus 3 11, 5 minus 14 that is a minus 9 and 4 plus 4 8 that is the value of A minus 2. So sum of two matrix and difference of two matrix, now adding corresponding element, small a11 is adding small v1, small a12 then is b12, small a21 b21, small a22 that is a b2. Okay student, so thank you.